Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel EduKarthik. And in today's video, we are going to do polynomials chapter number 2 of class 9. This is exercise 2.2 and we are starting from our part 2. In previous part, I have done two questions, which were question number 1 and question number 2. But in this part, we are going to further continue our questions, which are question number 1 and question number 2. So let's start. Let me take my markers. So today I'll use blue, green and red pens and black one for writing the questions. Question number 3. Verify whether the following are the zeros of polynomials indicated against them. So question number 1 we'll see. I mean part number 1. Px equal to 3x plus 1. Px equals to 3x plus 1 and comma x equals to minus 1 divided by 3. Okay, so let's solve this. If our answer after solving this comes as 0, so we will write yes, otherwise we'll write no. Okay, so 3x plus 1, value of x is minus 1 by 3. 3 into x means minus 1 by 3 plus 1, which means 3 and 3 cancel. Now minus 1 plus 1, minus plus and 1 also cancel. So our answer is 0, hence yes. Okay, so our answer is yes. So next is 5x minus pi. 5x minus pi. X is equal to 4 by 5. Okay. Let us continue it. This is part 2. 5x minus pi. 5 multiply by 4 by 5 minus pi. 4 minus pi. And pi we all know is rational number or 3.14. So if we minus 3.14 from it, so what will be left? 0.86. 0.86 approximately. So I'll write approximately equals to 0.86. Still it is not equal to 0. So we will write this as no. Our answer will be no. So here I will write the serial order. Yes. Here no. Now for next question we'll try. Let's start. What is it saying? Yes, it is saying x square minus 1 and 1 comma minus 1. X square minus 1, x are 1 and minus 1. So let's start. This is part 3 and x square minus 1 we have to put the value. X square means 1 square. 1 square minus 1, which is 1 minus 1 minus 1, which is 0. So we will write yes. And comma, because there is one more. For this one we'll do here minus 1 square minus 1. Minus 1 square is minus 1 multiplied by minus 1. So minus will get cancelled by itself. So 1 and 1, which is always 1. 1 minus 1, again 0. So here yes comma yes. I've erased it. Now fourth one, x plus 1 x minus 2 minus 1 comma 2 x plus 1 x minus 2 1 comma 2, I mean minus 1 comma 2. Let's start. What we have to find? Yes, same thing. If I see this, so it is x plus 1. X plus 1 multiplied by minus 1. X is minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 multiplied by minus 1 minus 2. Okay? Minus 1 minus 2. Minus 1 plus 1, it will be 0. So 0 multiplied by minus 3. And 0 multiplied by anything is always 0. So our answer is 0. Hence, here it will come yes, comma. Here for 2 we will do same. Uh, 2 plus 1, 2 minus 2. Now 3 into 0, which is again 0. So here also yes. Okay? So all of these are yes. Now fifth one, px equals to x square and x equals to 0. We all know the answer. X square means 0 square. 0 square is 0. So this will also be yes. This was the shortest question of all time. Okay. So now next one. It is Lx plus m. Px is Lx plus m. Lx plus m. This we have written. Now, and in x the value is given minus m divided by L. Minus m divided by L. This is the value given. Now we have to use it in the question. Yes. Lx plus m and L is given. So L multiplied by minus m upon L plus m. If we see this, so L will get cancelled by the L. So minus m plus m is left. Minus m plus m will again get cancelled. So 0 will be our answer. So this will also be yes. I hope you are understanding everything which I am telling you. Now value of x in this question is 3x square minus 1. Px equals to 3x square minus 1, and value of x is given minus 1 by root 3, minus 1 by root 3, and 2 by root 3, means minus 1 by root 3 and 2 by root 3. Firstly, I'll do with minus 1 by root 3. 3 into minus 1 by root 3 square. X square is given over here. So, this is the value of x I am taking now. Means we have to square off this number. And what? Minus 1. Now, 3 multiplied by, what is the square of root 3? It is 3. And the square of minus 1, it is plus 1. Minus 1. And 3 cancel. Now, 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 we will write here. Why we will write 1 minus 1? Because 1 was left here and 1 was already minus in here. So, cut, 0 is our answer. So, here we will write yes and comma, because we don't know whether the next one is yes or no. Is it not tilted? Oh, it is little bit tilted, but I will not tilt it now. So 3x square, meaning 3 multiplied by 2 by root 3 square minus 1, which is 3 into 4 by 3 minus 1. 3 cancelled out. 4 minus 1, which is 3. And now we all know that this is not equal to 0. So we put no. Now next one, px equals to 2x plus 1, x equals to 1 by 2. Px equals to 2x plus 1, x equals to 1 divided by 2. Okay friends, this is our question. Okay, and that too the last subpart of question number 3. The value we will put here, so it will become 2 multiplied by x. X is 1 by 2. 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 plus 1. Is it plus 1 only? Yes. So 2 plus 1. 1 plus 1. So our answer will be 2. So this will also be no. So let's see if our answers are correct. Yes, so let's see. The answer of first is yes. This is correct. Second is no. Third is yes. Fourth is yes. Fifth is yes. Sixth is yes. Seventh is, first one is yes. Second is no. And eighth one at last is also no. So hence all of our answers are correct which we have solved. Now last question. Yes, I have erased it. Now fourth one. Fourth one also has total number of 7 subparts. Question number 1, 2, 3, and at a time we'll do 6, 4, 5, 6, and 1 we can do here also, 7. Yes, so total 7 we can do at the same time. So first one is x plus 5. Second one, x minus 5. Third one, 2x plus 5. Fourth one, 3x minus 2. 2x plus 5. 3x minus 2, 3x. Yes. So let's just start. See, you have to find the value of, find the zero polynomial. We have to find the zero polynomial of all these equations. So to find zero polynomial, just put 0 equal to 0, again equal to 0, equal to 0, equals to 0, equal to 0, equal to 0. Okay, now just equal to 0 we have to put. X plus 5 equals to 0. So what will be the value of x? X will be minus 5, because plus 5 will go there, become minus. So this sign will get changed to minus sign. Now x minus 5, same, this sign will go there, become plus sign, and this will go here. So this will become x equals to 5. Okay. Now 2x, 2x. So same, the sign change, equals to minus 5. Now 2x, this will go there, and this will be coming. This is what? This is slash. Slash means which is used for division. So 2x equals to minus 5. X equals to minus 5 divided by 2. Okay. Now I'll put green marker. I mean blue marker. Yes. So fourth one is 3x minus 2. 3x equals to 2, because this will go there, and again symbol change. Okay. Now x equals to, so bracket will be coming here as it comes here. Okay. So I will write, yes, so x will become 2 by 3. Okay. Now 3x equals to 0. So this will go there. X will equals to 0 upon 3. Yes, 0 upon 3. So what is 0 upon 3? In the table of 3, there is no value, there is no 0. Means 0 is not the multiple. So to make the 0 multiple, you will just have to multiply 3 by 0. So just the answer will be 0. Any number, any number which is dividing 0, the answer will be 0 only. Yes, 0 we have got. Ax equals to 0. So x equals to 0 upon a. So we do not know the value of a. It can be anything in the universe. Even if infinity is put over there, we will put answer as 0 only. Because I have told you the reason. Any number which is dividing 0, the answer will be 0 only. Now our last question. Cx plus d. Okay. So what is d and c over here? They are real numbers. It has been given there. And a in this one question, it is already given that a is not equal to 0. If a would be 0 and above also would be 0, so the answer would be not defined. Okay, because 0 cannot be the denominator. Now cx, this d will go there, minus symbol will go there and become plus, so it will be minus d, because wait, this plus symbol is there, I thought it is minus. Okay, so now cx equals to minus d, so what will x be? X equals to minus d getting divided by c. This is our answer, x equals to minus d by c. So we have done our exercise. In this video we will do only this much question, but in next video I'll further continue with all of these things. Till then, bye bye and see you all in the next class.